Yes. And as you said, you are working in a very remote area, in fact, remote area. You had also worked with tribal students. So, how the
Actually,
ICT based
act-
teaching is helping
actually,
you? Yeah, yes, sir.
yeah, actually, here majority students are not tribal. Majority
Okay.
students are Muslim students. Uh, so this is Indo-Bangla border area, but that is nice whenever you work with other field of that one. And I believe one thing, in order to get good results in good field, you alone cannot make the changes. You require good team of your school team. So I try to, after going there, I try to develop my team so that we'll be working together. Otherwise, it will be difficult. Simply a teacher, a headmaster, they cannot change the school. I'm very much fortunate also. I can say, as you are showing the picture, you can see in my school, near my school, there is a very big field. And if you can go through, that is that video they made by that
MHRD.
from
So, with your
MHRD.
permission, I want to play it.
Yeah, yeah, nice, nice.
Yeah.
Please.
तो जो भी हमारे साथ जुड़े हैं, संजय दास सर त्रिपुरा से हैं और आप बड़े ही इनोवेटिव टीचर हैं। आप तिला बाजार हायर सेकेंडरी स्कूल है त्रिपुरा में, वहां पे आप पढ़ाते हैं बच्चों को और आईसीटी का यूज करते हैं। 1 मिनट की वीडियो है, आप देखिए।
दिल बाजार हायर सेकेंडरी स्कूल के शिक्षक श्री संजय दास विज्ञान और गणित के एक सक्रिय शिक्षक के रूप में दिखाई देते हैं। इन्होंने अपने छात्रों के विज्ञान के शिक्षण के लिए हैंड्स ऑन और आईसीटी आधारित दिलचस्प शिक्षाविदों का नवाचार किया है। श्री संजय दास को दूर दराज के बच्चों तक शिक्षा पहुंचाने के लिए राष्ट्रीय पुरस्कार से सम्मानित किया जाता है।
तो आप बता रहे थे कि स्कूल बहुत बड़ा है, कैंपस,
त्रिपुरा के
ये वो है
ऊनाकोटी
भी।
स्थित दिल बाजार हायर सेकेंडरी स्कूल के शिक्षक श्री संजय दास विज्ञान और गणित के एक सक्रिय शिक्षक के रूप में दिखाई देते हैं। इन्होंने अपने छात्रों के विज्ञान के शिक्षण के लिए हैंड्स ऑन और आईसीटी आधारित दिलचस्प शिक्षाविदों का नवाचार किया है। श्री संजय दास को दूर दराज के बच्चों तक शिक्षा पहुंचाने के लिए राष्ट्रीय पुरस्कार से सम्मानित किया जाता है।
सर, एक और चीज जो मुझे जानना है कि एक्चुअली मैथ को बहुत डिफिकल्ट सब्जेक्ट की तरह लोग ट्रीट करते हैं। तो हाउ आर यू इम्प्रूविंग द इंटरेस्ट, स्पेशली रिमोट एरियाज, बिकॉज वहां पे तो और ज्यादा अल्टरनेटिव ऑप्शंस आते हैं, चैलेंजेस भी आते हैं। मैथ का इंटरेस्ट, अगर ओवरऑल इंडिया की बात करें, और एज ए मैथ टीचर ये सवाल मैं पूछता हूँ आपसे कि right now we have two options, either you can choose basic math or normal math in CBSE, और in normal schools you will see कि जो बच्चे हैं वो बहुत कम इंटरेस्टेड रहते हैं मैथ को लेकर। मतलब ऐसा नहीं कि नहीं इंटरेस्टेड। आप कैसे काम करते हैं?
Actually, this is not the problem of any particular school. It is a problem of total India. You
ऑल
can
ओवर
say
इंडिया।
not only maths and English, two subjects. Two subjects. We teachers are facing a lot problem. Uh, so problem तो रहेगा. You cannot change this one. Problem cannot be overcome in a single day. But the problem comes because of few things. Mathematics. Why we are having mathematics phobia? When students are facing problem in four basic operations, that is called addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division, the problem it comes. So whenever we are able to, they may be in upper classes, it doesn't matter. But whenever we are able to make them capable of doing these four operations correctly, then students will be getting confidence. Yes, it can be done. So I basically think uh, the school where I got posted, it's not for many years. I want to work along with them and mm, and what to say, the school which is interior school like me, where since last 6 or 7 months schools are not open due to COVID pandemic, it becomes little difficult because many students have forgotten many things. and we are trying to communicate with them, that is via, you can say, online classes, but many of the students, they don't have the facility. And if they are having facility, because of the area, many students, they don't get good internet connection, because in border area, you can understand, many areas you cannot get good internet connection. This may be for security reason also. So basically, it is little difficult. So we are much dependent on face to face. I mean to say, uh,
So how are
education.
you reaching out to
So
them
I,
during this Corona
pardon.
crisis? How are
Actually,
you
we
reaching
are,
out?
yeah. We are having several options. That is, one is by framing WhatsApp group. Another one is live classes, as it is going on now. It may be in, it is in StreamYard, but we used to take in Google Meet or Zoom. uh, Good numbers of students, they are, initially it was less. Now, as the days going on, good numbers of students are performing. And our school department has started one new initiative, that is Ektu Khelo Ektu Poro. In that one, students are kept engaged. Every day some task is given, students are used to give. We are trying, few days back, one initiative it was started, that is neighborhood classes, where we teachers took their classes, taking maximum five number of students in open areas. We tried that one, but it is now, uh, presently it is postponed. I hope it will be continued, because the situation in our area, in our state, it is getting day by day from, I mean to say, it is day by day getting worse. Daily, good numbers of COVID patients are coming. Even in my school, you cannot believe, two teachers, they got positive, COVID positive, two teachers. So, as per my knowledge goes, one student is positive. Maybe this number may be more than that. The report is not with me yet, but two teachers are already COVID positive. So we are trying our level best. Those teacher who are, you can imagine, even those teacher who became COVID positive also, they are also, whenever they are getting time, they are taking online classes.
So other than the teaching, what are your hobbies, especially your interests?
Actually, my little hobbies, I can say, watching cricket match. I'm a uh, cricket lover. Uh,
Your
I
favorite
used to
cricket
play
player?
up to, favorite player is definitely in my time, Sachin Tendulkar. We just don't think beyond this. Nobody is there like him.
I'm also
So
a Sachin fan.
yeah, I'm a great fan. Uh, by the way, uh, other than this, I try to spend little time on developing new things. For example, developing myself, undergoing some trainings from various MOOC courses, and I'm presently pursuing my PhD in education. So little bit engaged there also.
So great, let's say. And one more thing, ki, just you have shared ki you're also devoting your time on personal development. And as mentioned in the new education policy, professional development is very essential part of any teacher. So NEP में काफी इसमें एक, एक काफी उसको prominent place भी दिया गया है. And other than that, as a math teacher, you just shared कि कैसे basic बेस मजबूत नहीं रहता, बेस स्ट्रांग नहीं रहता, बच्चे बहुत प्रॉब्लम फेस करते हैं हायर एजुकेशन. सो कैन यू शेयर योर एक्सपेक्टेशन फ्रॉम दिस एनईपी? डू यू थिंक दैट दैट विल चेंज?
Yeah, definitely. Actually, what I understand, as you can say, that is, we are having a notion that students will be very good in mathematics and English and these things, and those students who are not good in mathematics, their life is, no life is there. Actually, in practically, it doesn't happen like that. I have got many students personally. they are established, they were not very good in mathematics. So uh, they may be good in these areas. I do feel any student, any child uh, is not uh, doesn't have any special quality. ऐसा हो नहीं सकता. Every child has got a special quality, and as a teacher we should we must find what special quality he or she possesses. That is, so our function is to develop this one only. um, every students, they cannot solve trigonometrical problem, calculus they cannot do, they cannot understand English, they cannot write phrases or other things, but he or she can do many things. As far as national education policy 2020 is concerned, I hope students are given enough choices, that uh, you can take any subject of your choice. Vocational education will be starting from class 6 onwards. That is a very good step. In my school, I am having vocational education. I can say, due to this vocational education in my school, dropout rate is decreased, because they are getting interest. uh, क्या होता है, एक सब्जेक्ट पे अगर आपका इंटरेस्ट हो जाए ना, तो सब्जेक्ट डिफिकल्ट नहीं होता. आपको पहले इसे इंटरेस्टिंग बनाना पड़ेगा. एंड स्टूडेंट्स, whenever they find, yeah, I can do this, so afterwards they will be, even it may be difficult, it may be abstract, but अगर उसे मन बना लिया, मुझे ये करना ही है, then you will find that is difficult is nothing. Everything can be overcome. uh, this is the thing what I believe. स्टूडेंट में, हर किसी बच्चे में पोटेंशियल होता है. मान लीजिए ही और शी may not be, I mean to say, fully physically fit, still then he or she does possess some special quality. And as a teacher, our duty is to um, sharpen and this one quality what he is having.